This is Visual Studio 2022 interface. First, in this interface we need to go create project. After that it will open this section. Here you can see we have a different of programming languages: C#, C++, F#, JavaScript, Python, query language, TypeScript, Visual Basic, XAML. I am choosing C++ because we are learning about the C++. Okay. So now I am going to select console application. Which application? Console. Now after console application, click on the next. It will ask the project name. So here this is IT2 first semester. Practice-2. Constant. So we have taken the name. It's your choice, you can choose any name. It is not compulsory. I have taken as per the date, because on which date which project we are going to complete. Then create. After this we opened the IDE. This is preprocessor definition. Preprocessor definition. I am used here hash define. Identifier name PI and then replacement. My dear, you can see here I have written the statement in different way. The same statement, same logic, same result. But I have written here radius multiply by radius multiply by pi. If I am writing like this, please be concentrated on this part. If I am writing like this, pi multiply by radius multiply by radius. If you see, I will have the same result, radius multiply by radius multiply by pi, or pi multiply by radius multiply by radius, same result. Yes, but my IDE is not supporting to write this particular statement like this. If you need to write like this, you need to take the bracket. Otherwise, radius multiply by radius multiply by pi, write in this way. Okay, it's one thing. Second, the same thing, we are getting the value from here. Now we are writing here the preprocessor definition working as a constant here. But I told you in the classroom as well, in constant we have a type checking, means which type of data you are going to be input, what kind of data you are going to be calculate with other expression. Here no type checking. It's like a water, like transparent. You can complete this detail with double, integer, float, any calculation, any type. It will not be reflecting any type checking, any security. No security check in it. Only the replacement, replacing the value. Like we have something right or wrong. We are not thinking it is right or wrong. We are just replacing. So in this way, we are just replacing the value of pi 3.14, no type checking, no type safety. But we can use more ways for hash define. What are the particular ways? In which way we can use this? This is a simple way. Just we replace the value of pi. But I want to let you understand some big calculations. Like I can use hash define for big calculations. Like I am taking a variable name identifier, not variable, identifier name max and passing two values a, b. I will replace it a greater than b if yes, so a, b. All of you know well this expression. If a greater than b, value become a, otherwise the value become b. Do you know this? What is the meaning of this statement? If a greater than b, we will have a if the value is true. Yeah, else value b. All of you know this or not? If condition. With the help of hash define, we can find the maximum of a and b, and with the help of this expression. Okay. Now I am going to implement it. This one is easy. This one just I have changed here from constant to hash define, and directly the same program, just I change this, nothing else. Okay, but I want to make this program. In this program we are making a full expression. And you know one more thing, we can use like this also. Like You know quadratic equation, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Have you seen this type of equations in during your studies? Have you seen ax square plus bx plus c, ax plus b, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus b? Yes, we have seen it. So this is a polynomial px. Px polynomial is described as ax square plus bx plus c. Now in our mathematics book we have some kind of solutions. If we put x is equal to 0, the value becomes this. If we put x is equal to 1, the value becomes this. This kind of expression, we will take the value of a like 2 and value of b like 4, value of c like 5. Now I want to just take the value of p1. How can we find p1? P in front of x we will put 1. Yeah. So 2 1 square plus 4 multiplied by 1 plus 5. What is the value now? 2 plus 4 plus 5, 11. Yeah. The value of p1 is 11. What is the value of p2? What is the value of p100? With the help of hash define, we can calculate any value from this expression. Just we will write one time and we can get the value any number of times for any value to be putting into it. This is the way of using computing. In computers, what we have good, the calculation. What we have good in computers? Calculation. If you are not able to calculate from the computer, it's no use. 2 plus 2 you can. But if you have a big calculation, computer can make it easy. Understand my term? So my dear, always be thinking the computer as a mathematical device. Otherwise, for this type of, if I have 100 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100, and if the human being will calculate up to 100, it takes time. But in computer, I will make a loop here, the value of x will change from 1 to 100 and we get the all values directly. This is the perfect use of computer. Yes? So here I will implement this expression, or we can implement this if we have a time. It is 12:02. Within 10 minutes we can implement this. So check here. There. After hash define, no semicolon. It is by mistake. No semicolon will be after hash define. We will not allow to use the semicolon in it. No semicolon here. No semicolon. Okay. So now check here. I want to make the value maximum from two numbers. So max I have taken as an identifier a comma b, and I want to replace with a greater than b, a colon b. This is the replacement. Okay. So now what we'll do in this case, what we need here, we need two numbers to compare. The numbers should be compared after the input from the keyboard. Yes. So we will take here two numbers first. Integer num1 comma num2. Two numbers we have taken. Okay. Now see out, just tell to the user enter num1 in num1. Enter num2. Two numbers you get the input through the keyboard. After that you want to check the maximum. So in maximum, which number will be selected by your system? It will be the maximum number. Okay. So we will take like this, see out, print the value. Print the value for what? Maximum number. Maximum number of num1 and num2 is from where the number comes, from the max we have taken on the top, max, and the number you should pass here num1 comma num2. Okay. All of you have written this expression. All of you have written here on the top. This one, max a b, then space, a greater than b in bracket, question mark for checking which number is greater, then a colon b. If a is greater than b, so it will give the result a. If b is greater than, so it will become the result b. So with the help of hash define, we can make a mathematical expressions easy for us. This thing we cannot do with constant. This thing we cannot implement with constant. This thing only we implemented with preprocessor definition. At the last, dear, are you writing source code? All of you done this? This is only and L, and after that is a semicolon. Do it, then we will execute it. All of you have written this source code? Now dear, if we execute it, it will ask first the number entered by the user and then compare these two numbers. So you can check here, it is asking for the number 1. So number 1 like 58 we have given, number 2 we have given like 65. So maximum number of 58 and 65 is 65. With the help of preprocessor definition, we can implement any mathematical expression. Even in your mathematics book, the key has been generated by this formula. Answer key in your mathematics book is generated by this formula. Now you can enter any number and you can get the answer for this. Like you can enter another number 109 and second number is 45. Now maximum number of 109 and 45 is 109. So with the help of hash define preprocessor definition, we can implement any mathematical expression. It's really a great idea, because you see one thing, we don't need to write the whole statement, we just write this name and this statement automatically be complete by the system. So this statement you can take any size, you just write the name of the expression. We have taken the name of the expression here. After the name, the functionality automatically be achieving by the system. This is the name only. We have taken only this name. The functionality is achieved by the system automatically. Understand?